My GE side-by-side profile refrigerator control panel is blinking zeros and the temp cooling is still working, but the interior lights flash and are dim.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
PFCS1 ARXA SS model number 4 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it's simple.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
One moment please. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the site will send you a phone call offer. That is not me.
Okay.
Have you unplugged the unit for a full minute and plugged it back in?
I unplugged it not for a minute though. I'm doing that right now. I did a full minute, same thing happening. Flashing zeros across the screen, then hits the temp for a half second, goes dark and then does it again. Still there?
Yes, I am still here. Open the door and check the wiring at the lower door hinge. The Molex plug may have become unplugged or corroded. Can you check that?
It's a side-by-side top with freezer drawer on bottom. I looked and I don't see any wiring bundles.
There is wiring that comes out of the door hinge that runs to the dispenser board. The model you listed shows this is a French door with a drawer model. Not a side-by-side? Look at the top door hinge.
French doors with freezer drawer is correct. There is a wire connection underneath the freezer that is connected. I'm not seeing anything that's coming out of the doors.
Can you pull the unit and go behind the unit?
What am I looking for?
Sorry for delay. You need to replace this board behind the unit. Click here. It is behind the small rectangular cover panel on the back of the unit. Can you do that?
I don't have the board.
Yes, you would have to order it to replace it. Note it is behind the unit on the back of the unit.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.